Hi, I'm Atina Rozon with Purdue Extension in Jennings County. And today I'd like to take a few moments to share with you how you can make an easy trail mix utilizing a child, this is my daughter Catherine, and items that you may already have in your pantry. I'm going to go ahead and let Catherine get started on making a trail mix for us. So as you can see here, as mentioned, we have just a few different items that we pulled from our pantry. A couple different nuts to offer some protein. We have some dried fruits. We've got raisins, some craisins over here. You could have maybe some apricots, pretty much whatever you might want. Coconut, maybe something to provide some sweetness that maybe we don't have on the table here. Pretzels could be another option. So really it just depends on what you or what your child likes and what they might want in their trail mix. The important thing to keep in mind is having your child create their own trail mix is going to allow them to kind of have a buy-in into what they are making and why they are wanting to eat that. So Catherine, why don't you tell us, what do you have in your trail mix here?
Pistachios, peanuts, raisin, and goldfish.
And goldfish. Awesome. So if you made this trail mix, what would then you might do with it? What's something?
I take it in my place house, and sometimes we bring it into the car, and I like to eat it in the car.
Okay, so maybe taking it out to a play set, or as she said, you could even take this in the car and have it as a quick snack for the child maybe when they're hungry when you're on the road. So I hope you are able to get some ideas from this and possibly make your own trail mix at home. Thank you.